All right, good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024. It's the second trading day of this week and also second trading of this month, December. So we are here in December right there. So just Tuesday, just the very you know, the second day trading of the week and of the month. And all we are week 49, so 3 more weeks from now we'll close out 2024. And December we're gonna have a option expiration for the quarter also. So it's the end of quarter. So this week gonna be end of quarter. So it's huge. Expect a lot of firework or they call volatilities, price action. But the first 2 days of trading is kind of very high resistance, the greater run. It's understandable, right? But before we go to that, keep in mind that the big high impact economic data release or new is the non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll, they call it employment situation at 8:30, and they have so-called consumer sentiment also have some potential impact the price action at 10 a.m. this Friday. Oh, wow, we do have a Jerome Powell with the Fed chair. He should be speak on tomorrow. Wow, interesting, huh? Tomorrow. Wow, let's see how that impact. And it's around 1:45 Eastern time right there. All right, that is quick review for our economic calendars. All right, before we go to any detail, the two things we learned from today: liquidity, right? And we feel like it's gonna be a reversal, Wednesday reversal tomorrow. That's what we anticipate. The second is so-called, we're going to review two of them, right? Two setup or two pattern or two, two kind of liquidity run. Wednesday reversal, and the other one is so-called fall breakout reversal type 3. You remember we do have two types, and one of the type that we try to work on is type 3, which is called double break and double reverse. And it happened again. It happened yesterday. Is that right? Yesterday? And it happened today again. So we're gonna look into that. So that is our bullet point for today review right there. All right, first let's review the Wednesday reversal. All right, in order to do that, we have to look on the high time frame level, which is daily time frame. We have on our left right there. All right, here's our high time frame, the daily time frame again, and we see that it's very bullish right now. It's above the 20-day moving average right here. But you remember last week when we see this phenomenon on Monday, right? On Monday is kind of a doji candle, or is it called spinning? Yeah, spinning candle. And then on Wednesday, on Tuesday is sweep both end liquidity, sell side and buy side. And then on Wednesday is reverse. And then last week we don't have Thursday, so that's the trick right there. We only have half day at Friday, and then it's reverse, right? You see the level right, test, break, and reverse. But this guy is reverse of that level. If we add right there, you see that. That's a test, break, and reverse. So it's like type 2 reversal. We thought it gonna be that reversal, but on Friday it come out very strong. Let's move here so we have an idea. So right here, that's the level. The high of this is 0 25. So that's a 25. Yes, so let's look at the Wednesday 11/27 to see how this manifests itself on. This is high time frame, right? We want to see how it manifests itself in a low time frame, how the overnight markets, the equity were consolidated or were engineered, and the pre-markets then boom, it came down. Came down on Wednesday. So we see a similar pattern right here, except that we don't have a Thursday, but you see that the Monday and the Tuesday curve liquidity engineer right here. You see that it tests from above this level. You see that this level, the high of this candle is 53.25. So basically, you see test from below it break it, right? And now it tests from above. So very interesting that we're going to see the high of this candle. To see if the high of the Friday, to see if can hold. It likely gonna test that level, which is 60 14 70. Oh no, 60. It likely test that level in the overnight. So we maybe anticipate a short right there. We do anticipate that it take the high of this candle, which is Tuesday, at the last minute. We saw the coming, we go long, but we got stopped out because of the fluctuates, and it looks scary, so we just get out. But that's how the markets manipulate. It take the last minute and it will fluctuate, but it did hit the target, which is the high big candle at the last minute. Basically, it tried to take out all the people who go short here before it went down. That's what we anticipate right there. But let's look at the reversal on November 27, which is a Wednesday. All right, we pull out our playbook, and here's what we see. So on Wednesday 27, which is last week, you see the same phenomenon. So Monday is the test, and test from below, right? So on Monday, and Tuesday is break that level. In this case, this level right there for the high of this candle. I think 60.25 something right there, and then it's reversed on Wednesday. So that's the pattern, and you see the same on October 30. And then we go to other day, we see a similar pattern, like on Wednesday, July 31st. We see that the Monday test from below. From below, you can get the level right here. It will match, and then Wednesday break, and then Tuesday break, and then Tuesday reverse. So similar right here. The perfect one is we have both Tuesday and Monday and Tuesday both up close. So you have this July 17 and November 27 and October 30. They all perfect match right there. The pattern in between Monday and Tuesday, they both up close, and on Wednesday it reverses down close. On this day, the 31st of July, a little bit different. the Monday is down. So, and we see a similar day right here, perfect match right there. Basically the Monday test from below, and then Tuesday is break the level and then it reverse. Yeah, we see similar right here on January. Yeah, but the trick of that the trick is that the Tuesday is down close, so a little bit deviate from the pattern right there. But you can see, oh, this is perfect match right here. Both, Monday and Tuesday up close, and then Wednesday is reverse. You see that test from below, break and reverse. That perfect right there. Some setup have perfect, some setup is just deviates a little bit. This one also a little bit deviates, but it gives you a lot of bearish right there. You see the test from above. Both Monday and Tuesday test from above, because of the Friday before that is a very up close solid candle and then reverse. So this could be happen on tomorrow, right? If you look right here, you see that the Wednesday or Friday, that's Friday at a close, and both the Tuesday and the Monday test above. But we would love to see if the candle passive level twice right there. So the Wednesday, it will be very very fast and furious. We wish this candle to be like this, right? Test from above, right there, test from above, and test both level right there. So the Wednesday gonna go and break both level, but it tests still a little bit, so we have to wait to see. But it looked like it's set up really for the Wednesday to reverse right there. Beautiful right there. Let's look at the low time frame to see how it manifests itself, right? On low time frame, we only have 2 day and similar, right? Like 27, October 27, November, and then October 30, because they are on high time frame is exactly the same. So we want to see how it run in the low time frame. On the low time frame, you see it pretty much the the Asia is the same. You see that the Asia run high and it take out the prior day high or PM high right there, and then it start retracement, and it's in this case it consolidate a little bit on the London right there, and then it went down real hard on 9:30, right? So swing real hard. Prior 9:30 and 9:30 is one single swing and then reverse. Then a lot of people gonna go long right here, and boom, it's really make a second leg down right there. That October 30 right there. But November 10/7 is it gives you a very nice setup right there. Basically, the London also went down, and then it's consolidate right here just before the New York pre-markets, and then it's have a swing right here. Basically, it's a retracement or liquidity engineer right here, and boom, it went down. That's how it manifests itself right there. So watch for the open on Wednesday. Give us some signal where we need to go in. Similar right here, open Wednesday. You see that? The minute it above the open Wednesday, you see the break, test from above and reverse. So whenever we see that, for this one, it's just the type 2 reversal. Break, test from above, break and reverse. But this guy give us a type 1 reversal. Break, test from above and reverse. Alright, here's our reversal setup. yeah, here's our playbook for trade reversal. So basically we have two type right there. Type 1 on the left and type 2 on the right. On the top it is short and at the bottom is long. So basically we want to reverse on Wednesday, which is short run, right? In this case, the type 1 is break, test from above and reverse. Then type 2 is test from below, break and reverse. So look right here on last Wednesday, look at the level around 18. You see that it create a type 2 right here, test, break, and then reverse at the level 36.5, which is the candle range low of 18, open at 1800 right there. But on the October 30, we have a type 1, right? Breaks, test from above and reverse, and it happened later in the PM. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 12. It happened about 11:45. 11:45. But this one happened around 8:45 right there. But if you miss that trade, then you can go in at 9:30 or 9:45 right there. But it gives you the idea right there. It will test the level before it come down. But if we go in right here, we did took this trade. We go in right here and we hit the target right there. But if we let it run when we go in early in the overnight market, then we are in a very good shape right there. Okay, so that's the first thing about today. Whether we're gonna anticipate the setup for tomorrow, okay, which is Wednesday reversal. Okay, so going to the price action for today, we just look on the high time frame level. Now look on a low time frame to see how price action today. All right, just watch the price action at 8:30. Is it 8:30? Yeah, 8:30 right there. Right. So right there, you thought that it's gonna break and make the new high. Right. The minute. So this gonna be a trap. A lot of people right there at level. You see this level right here at 66 is break, but it fake right there, and it take out the London high also. But the minute it rate liquidity, you see that it flipped right away. We didn't have a change short right here because we're not in front of our computer. But that is the best entry for short for today. Let's see. Yeah. See, that's the huge setup right there for short. See that? It flipped fast. 8 minutes into the 8:45. Okay, 9 o'clock. Let's see. So, I mean, right here we see that it failed to break. It tried in the overnight a little bit. Then in London, it got consolidation, and then it go and take the sell side liquidity, and this is a swing. You can call it swing prior to 8:30 right there, and boom. It flushed out. But let's see the very interesting. Wow. See that? So at 9 o'clock, it rate this the sell side liquidity and also the prior day BM right there. and then is okay, it goes to 915. All right, look, it retraces very quick back right there. So we thought it's gonna come down and break this level on a high time frame. So let's see how the 930 formation. So right here, what we see, wow, the 930 come out very fast. Yes, so just right here, right, you have into 930, right to 930, you see that? We thought that, okay, you see the level right there, we marked the level 60, right, you see that? It break, test from above, reverse, and right here, it break again, test from above. That's what we thought that, it's gonna be long right here. Break, test from below, sorry, not from above, test from below, and reverse. But it flipped right away. And then it flipped back again. So it's kind of very, be careful, misleading right there. You see that? That's the tricky right there. So the candle at 930 is, you see that it did touch the level. So if we short here and we aim right here, we have about 12 point right there, which 2R right there. Then the 930 hit that right there. But hold on, wait, let's go back here. We need to check this screenshot real quick because it's very interesting. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see that. Come on. Okay. Ooh. We want to see the 930 what that it go up. Oh, too far. Okay, right there. Okay. So we're going to take strict screenshot real quick. Yeah, the one reason why we take this screenshot because it create a full breakout right here setup. But if we take this setup, then we got trouble right there. It flipped back and it's topped out right there. You see that? And right here we see the phenomenal right here. It's very after the 930, you see that right here. You see the setup break. No, test from above, break and reverse. That's type 2 right there. You have type 2. See that? The type 2 right there. Test from below, right? Now test from above, break and reverse. That's type 2 right here for long setup. Yes, right. Test from above, break, reverse right there. But we have to understand liquidity because if we go short right here, you have to take quick profits. Otherwise, it come back right away. You see that? So be careful. So the setup is it's just not one leg. You need two legs. You need a setup and you need to see the liquidity on high time frame where it had into right there. And also we know that on Tuesday and Monday, normally after a big move on Friday, normally the Monday and Tuesday is just a liquidity engineer for a reversal, a big move on Wednesday. See that is very back and forth right there. I think we did take a short, a long trade. You see that? Yeah. So now we thought, okay, so it's still valid. So the setup, type 2 reversals is still valid. Test from above, break and reverse. So it's gonna be rally. I think we did go long right here, and it didn't go well because the minute it hit this level, it reversed. So basically, it's the first leg down, and this is just retracement, and make a second leg down, I believe. Yes, we go along right there because we see we saw the trade we took, and right here we thought it's still a long setup, right? Because test from below 1-2, so it may go and reverse, but go up, reverse right there. But it did not. We forgot it. The second leg down right there. So basically, these two move, it's just retracement. And we thought that this level was going to be a good support, but it did not. It break it. But the beauty of that is after it break, it reversed. So you want something like this. All right, you want, let's say, this level. Don't trade when you thought that okay, it not break. Wait for it break and then for test below and reverse. At this level, high time frame or the low of the 930 candle, you want to see that. See that? Wow, it's really. Yeah, it cuff. So the first 2 hour or so, yeah, first 1 or 2 hour, it is very high resistance liquid run. It's very toppy. Yes, so we did go. By the way, we did go. Try to go long here. You see the setup right there. Break, test from below, and we go along, and it got flip on it. So today we're not being lucky, I guess. It didn't go all the way right here, but you see that we tried to go along, but we go along a little bit too early. We got burned right there. We just wait a little bit. You see that it only flipped for the last couple of minutes. You see that 58. So only last 2 minutes it stopped flip. So we try to go along right here early. We got stopped out, and then it moved to our direction right there. But it's not there yet. We thought that okay, it's gonna reverse from here, but it did not. It make another leg down. It's very tricky for today. You see that? Yes, see that? And now that's the beauty right there. This is the beauty we're talking about right there. At the level or at the high time frame level, or at the low of the 930 right there, 52. What do we see right here? We see break and then reverse and then break. If it reverse this time, it's gonna be double break and double reverse. That's the setup we saw the other day. Let's see what our our journal say about this setup. Yeah, this is we showed this setup on Friday. You see that? Similar, exactly Friday. Break, reverse, break, and reverse. So you have right here. So you have you have a double break right here, and then you have double reverse. Break, reverse, break, and reverse right there. Exactly. Wow, you see that? So it happened with the same time frame. So around 10, but the high time frame and the low time frame exactly 25, 23. What happened today? Today is the level a little bit level a little bit different, but it's also match the high time frame and low time frame, two level right there. And break, and then reverse, and then break. And the reverse is gonna be huge right there. Yes, so that's the reversal type 3 that we are talking about. We're gonna incorporate into our, so far we only have two type reversal right here. We got type 1 and type 2. That can be a type 3 right there, which is very, it happened very rare, but it's very reliable and very explosive. Wait, let's see. See that? Yes, it's huge move right there, and it make a retracement right here. We did go long right here, you know what? And we didn't take profit down here, but when it come back retracement, we got a little bit right there. We're too nervous, so we have to exit the trade, take a small profits, and then we see that it goes to our, we aim the target right there, but you know, we cannot stick through. We chicken out the retracement and we pay the price for that. Yep, so that's the tap right there, and now we can go back to the charts right there to see. Yes. By the way, the market is already open right there, so you see that right here. It is a good time to go short right here also. Yeah. So we know that the setup on the high time frame, the 1 hour, not 1 hour, the daily time frame, where our excuses with our daily time frame. Yeah, right here. See that test from above? It may rate the liquidity, it may not. You see that on Wednesday, the reversal on Wednesday, sometimes it does not rate this, but this time it rate that, so we may wait it rate and then short them right there. Okay, let's look at the trade we took for today. Okay, here the trade we take at 9:32, 33. Because we saw the flip, so we try to short them. And then we flip to long again, and then we flip to short. So we violate our rule right there. We just wait for 9:30 formation. It just flip back and forth, and we go in and we just swing them right at the 9:30. Is that right? It is 9:30. Hold on, I think we may have a $9:30. Yeah, that's right. I thought that we have a wrong video, but right, you see right there, we short them, but it flip again. See that? It have some profits, but we didn't take it. When it flip back, wow, if we continue to hold at this level, we'll be okay. See that? Even never that, but we got a little bit nervous right there. We should let it there. It will never hit this level at 66, 62. Yeah, 60, 62. You see, it never hit the level. See, it's still right there. But to get taken, we close the trade. Yeah. And we go long. We thought that, okay, it's gonna be reverse from here, but the minute we mentioned, the minute we go in, go long, it flip on it. Okay, so now we go short again. You see that? have a huge profit. We should take profit earlier. We so casually here. We take profit and let one contract run. We didn't take neither. You see that? At that. So come back, and then we thought right here. You see that it's break touch from below and reverse. That perfect. But I think we go a little bit too early. Then okay, and we get right. We go good right there. So the whole trade, yeah, I think we move stop loss to that, and here we have the profits at this, and we didn't take neither. And let's see how this is going on. Okay, so like what the next video. All right, so this one. Okay, so here we go long. Again, after the double break, we see that setup and it's perfect right there. And at one point, okay, after we let this trade, we take a walk. We don't sit in front of computer. If we sit in front of, we have to take profit right there. But like it run, but when we come back, it's in the retracement, so we get a little nervous. You see, when it's come all the way right there, we get nervous right there. So we take out. We see that is an automatic because it's retracement. It can come back. If we hit the level that we are aim right here, you see that we aim at this level. If we hit it 67, if we hit 67 right here, it is the last minutes right there. Eventually hits, but we have to see through two retracement, 1 and 2. So that is the nature of the trade like that. We have to patient to hit our targets. Yeah, that's just a huge trade for when we see the setup. That's a beautiful trade when we see the reversal, double break, and the double reverse right there. All right, I think that's it for today. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, then success is coming our way day by day, little by little. In every way, we're getting better and better. Thank you and have a good night. See you tomorrow.